This is a simple and fast review of the RZLCCL soccer ball shaped portable wireless LED speaker. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get this out of its box, you'll have a user manual. Looks like a cord, USB-A to USB-C charging cord. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's just it's a nice little hang dongle. Give you some flexibility. This thing looks great. Stands on its own. Let's see what this is here. It's not coming out easily. Looks like another kind of adjustable to kind of hold on your finger or in your hand, I guess maybe. That you can replace the wrist strap with the finger strap, perhaps. Probably also just rest that sucker on there. Just want to confirm. Doesn't really tell you on step one. Trying to see if it tells me what that is at all. Yeah, I just think it's for your fingers. Anyway, the speaker itself is going to be right there. On the front, you'll have your power, play, up, down, pause. Pretty cool looking, really cool looking actually. Charging in the back here. We're going to go ahead and plug it in, and we'll go ahead and get it charged up, and then we'll test it out. All right, so I got it all charged up. We're going to go ahead and connect it. It's going to be the M26 connection, I believe, and I'm just going to go ahead and pull up a video.
Total wireless earbuds. Now, the important thing is they're over the ear, so they're open ear. They're not going to stick into your ear.
The sound quality is really good.
Test them to see how they work, and let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
From a small speaker, so I am going to turn it all the way up, so you have an understanding.
Look out how nicely it's put together.
Kind of the volume here. It's not going to be like an outdoor like lawn speaker. It's more of something just locally close or inside that'll really help you out as far as the general noise. And actually, let's use this to pause. So as you can see, you can use your pause button, your +1 to move tracks, play again, which is really nice.
What we're gonna have to do is
the LED is really cool. It's just a great little speaker for portability, and again, you can just slap this on your wrist. You can use the other adjuster to kind of keep it in your hand. To me, totally worth buying. This thing is great, and again, it's water resistant. You can tell. I don't know that we'd go fully waterproof, but it does also have a slot for a memory card if you want to play from there. So definitely awesome, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.